Games are fun activities that people play for enjoyment. There are many types of games, like board games, card games, video games, and outdoor games. Board games are played on a board with pieces that you move around. Some popular board games are chess, checkers, and Monopoly. Card games are played with a deck of cards. You can play games like Go Fish, Uno, and poker with cards. Video games are played on a computer, game console, or smartphone. You can play video games alone or with friends. Some popular video games are Minecraft, Fortnite, and Among Us. Outdoor games are played outside, like tag, hide and seek, and soccer. These games are a great way to have fun and exercise at the same time. Games often have rules that you need to follow. For example, in chess, you move pieces on the board to try to checkmate your opponent's king. In Uno, you match colors and numbers to get rid of your cards. Playing games is a great way to have fun, learn new skills, and spend time with friends and family. Whether you like strategy games, action games, or sports games, there's a game out there for everyone to enjoy.